So with that being said, let's get into our eyeshadow look. And I'm just gonna keep it really simple because the focus of it is this Block Party shadow, and when I show it to you guys, you're gonna be like, yeah, I get it. That's definitely what the focus should be. So because I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer as a base, I'm just gonna go into this is a custom palette that I made for myself. These are all MAC shadows. I'm going to take Just Cosmetics 221 Luxe Soft Crease Brush, and I'm gonna go into it's like brown script. And go into brown script right here, and I'm just gonna buff that all over my lid. We're going to go into our Dose of Color shadow. However, I'm going to take a MAC 252 concealer brush because it's gonna pick up the pigment the best, because the brush, the hairs are synthetic. It's gonna pick up the pigment a lot better. I'm gonna spray it with Fix Plus because the pigment came broken. But first, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you can see it. So this is it, and it's really supposed to be like a soft like shadow. It's kind of got this, like, when you look at it up close, you can see like the kind of like the blue and the purple undertones to it, but it's so bomb. It's so bomb, you guys. Look at that. Like, it's just so, I can't believe. And then when you look really close at it, you can kind of see like there's like a purple reflex off of it. Like, I wish you guys could see like my finger right now. It's so bomb. So I'm just gonna take my brush, and I'm gonna pack some product onto it and kind of remorph my product. Super sad that it came broken, but oh well. I'm getting another one, so it's okay. So once I got the product on there, I'm going to pop it right on my lid. You guys, oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it. I've tried to recreate this eyeshadow so many times, and you just can't. Like, you really do need the actual color. You really do need the actual color. Like, it's so bomb. And there is some fallout, obviously, because my product came damaged, but I didn't use that much. That's all that was on the brush when I picked it up the first time. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. Like, how beautiful is that, you guys? Look at it. Like, the camera, I don't even know if it's doing it justice. Like, it's that bomb. I'm gonna clean up the edges a little bit. So you guys, I've tried to like recreate this so many times. Like, that's the swatch of it. I have tried. This is Urban Decay's LSD eyeliner pencil. Like, close, but not quite. I bought it so I could try and recreate this pigment, and it's just, it's not the same. This is Urban Decay's Junkie eyeliner pencil. Like, that's totally more green. It's just not the same. Like, you need this pigment. It's so good. So in order to smoke it, I'm going to take my Graph Black eyeliner from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to really like get this into my waterline. But we're going to keep a lot of the product on the outer corner. So as you come closer to the inner corner, just lay off the pressure a little bit. I'm taking my MAC 242 concealer brush. This is a smaller version of the 252, and it's just a little bit more precise. Then we're gonna take Graph Black from MAC Cosmetics as well, and a 263 eyeliner brush. We're gonna get our product in there. And we're just going to connect the top of this line right here. Just drag it in. So this is what it should look like. We're gonna do the same thing that we did on this side to this side. Alright, so after you get done smoking out your eye and creating your wings, I'm feeling a little bit extra today, so I'm going to stack some lashes. These are lashes that I got off of AliExpress. There's a couple videos back where I explained like how I bought them and everything. But I'm going to take these ones. These are 8C17s from MAC Cosmetics. And I just put them on top of the A811s. So this is the stack lash. I think it's a lot easier to just stack them on top of each other on the container as opposed to doing it on your eye. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is the final look. overall, I love the foundation, the concealer, the powder. Definitely love this dose of colors shadow. Let me know what you would like to see next in the series. Again, we're going to call it Get It or Dead It, where I let you know if you need to get it, run out, need to have this in your collection, or just drop it, dead it, forget about it, move on from it. So let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. If you made it this far in the video, then you obviously like what you see, so just do it. But until next time, I will see you soon. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. Leave me comments. I read them all. Thank you for everything, and I will see you in the next video.